Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. Jerome Gonzalez, Values 2A. And this is my reaction video about what I've read earlier. And there are many important events when the Spanish conquered the Philippines. There is the contribution of the Spaniards to our Filipino culture, which is what we live by every day. And one of them is faith. In terms of faith, it is the religion, the Christian faith, which has become one of the religions of all Filipinos. Apart from that, we cannot deny the contribution of the Spaniards to our Filipinos in terms of food. There is coffee that is always on the dining table of every Filipino and so many others. I believe from Spaniards, the coffee tree that we have here today is from Spaniards. And aside from that, and that's why the Spaniards really had a great influence to us Filipinos. And maybe there are negative effect on us Filipinos back then. Despite the positive effects on us Filipinos, there are also negative sides to us. Many native Filipinos died in the past, and but that was the signal for those we considered heroes to take revenge for their conquest. And now that we have gained freedom, and I believe from our considering hero like Andres Bonifacio, they and they, it is the signal to take revenge from the Spaniards. And there is also Spanish abuse in us Filipino. Women became sex slaves. And sadly, there are many women that have family that became sex slaves of the Spaniards. And there are also children who became slaves during their conquest. And despite that, here we are, standing today and enjoying our freedom that we gained to our Filipino hero like Andres Bonifacio. And one of my idol sa mga hinahangaan ko ay isa si Andres Bonifacio, known as the father of the Philippine Revolution. And he leads the revolt against Spanish rule. And so that thanks, and big shout out to Andy B. And that's all.